we got over here? Who we got over here?
Oh no. I ain't doing that shit.
Oh yeah, you ready?
Where y'all at?
You got Shetta B. Hold on, wait, no. Shetta B.
What you over here doing?
I'm over here waiting on. We about to have adult time. We didn't drop the kids off at the daycare.
They just dropped the kids off at the daycare.
Yeah.
Who we got? Who we got over here?
Nani Love, y'all already know what the fuck going on. Get
Pepsi Love. That's la la.
y'all know what the fuck going on.
Minor.
Oh, y'all minors?
No, he's not. He's not.
I'm gonna say y'all minors.
You see that man's facial hair?
I don't mean nothing. Hey man, this is my first cruise, so we here on some family stuff, and yeah, we finna have fun.
You enjoy your first cruise?
Hell yeah.
You get some good food?
Shit. Hell yeah. Drunk on the first night.
All right, who we got here?
Nice Sheree.
You enjoy? Is this your first cruise?
Hell nah.
How many cruises you been on?
This is gonna be my 4th one.
I'm a gold member.
What gold member mean?
Gold member been like 10 up.
She an old bitch and she cruised too much. That's what it means.
10 up. Gold member.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, all right.
All right. Feel me? Have fun, be safe, don't get nobody pregnant. Hey, that's facts.
Hi. We're almost ready.
Let's see what they got going on.
Hold on. Let's put water in here. That's good enough. Thank you.
Everybody got clothes on?
Yeah, what is this? What y'all got going?
Where's that? Yeah, they just.
Y'all want a butterfly tattoo?
It's 11:15, chat.
Hey guys.
Look what they doing.
We're changing. This is our second outfit of the day. Yes, at 11:15.
Yeah.
But we've already been dressed and
Show
had
Brooklyn.
breakfast.
Hold on, let me give you a flashlight.
Who want a tattoo?
Yo, Mud.
Get that view, man. Got the other boat. I get a picture of everything. Like, what are these ones?
Esto.
How much?
Es $5, amigo.
$5?
Chamoy, amigo.
Yes, please.
I love cocaine. I'm shy, have big dick. I can't quit. Sin on my face.
Yo.
I love blowjob.
Yo.
Shake my bone. Sugar daddy, my boss on your mouth. I like big butts. Show me your boobs. I eat ass.
You eat ass?
Push papi.
You eat ass?
Flaming face.
Nah. What'd that say? I love big boobies. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
$1.
That's
Yeah, man.
Feel me?
Alright, we're ready?
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Y'all want to say what's up to the vlog?
What are you doing?
Mom? You want to come say what's up to the vlog? You want to say what's up, Major?
You should get a picture all together.
My boy over here. Yo! Don't crash. Riding this bitch one-handed, man. I flew off the track. Alright, chat. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but when I crashed, the mic fell off my neck. But I made it to the top. We up here. Yeah. We up here, man. I made it to the top on the motherfucking ATV. Now we gotta go back down. We are in the clouds, bro. Look at this. Look at how high up we are. Mud.
Nigga, we above the clouds right now, boy.
We are on plane status. Yo. Look at the forces, chat. Look at the socks. We're done for. We in the desert with it, mud. Look at the forces, chat. But look at the sky. I mean, it was worth it. This is beautiful.
I'm hurt.
I'm hurt. They look about the same.
I'm hurt for real.
Like if you match this one up with that one, I don't see no difference.
I'm actually better cry, nigga.
For real. Don't be sad, bud.
Oh my god, I stripped on my black forces.
Alright, y'all. Camera finna die. We're gonna catch y'all next time. Yeah!
Kels, turn that shit the fuck down.
Now we walking in this.
My ice cream, yo.
These big and beefy. Big and beefy.
Big and beefy?
Mm-hmm. You're really big and beefy.
I think that's low-key her. I think that's her.
Big and beefy?
Yeah.
I mean, Subject lost.
Here, all of my frozen yogurt.
Oh, I almost fell. I'm weak. Like, goddamn. We got action.
Okay, that don't matter. I'm still getting to open this because.
We ain't no damn cookies, cause this little nigga. I'm done here. Who's okay?
Little nigga.
Move niggas. She's fucking no doors.
I opened the wall.